So if you have a water heater that will not flush from the bottom and has too much limescale debris or what have you, and this valve isn't working, a trick that's always worked for me is to siphon it out the top. This is just a piece of regular 1/2-inch PEX shoved down in there. You will need a vacuum to get the siphoning process going. But you can see it's flowing now, and you could just wait, get it empty. And you can see this is what came out of it. All that nasty limescale, that blue crystal stuff. Right there. Yeah, that is flowing right there. You can see I have my regular hose over there and it's bone dry, nothing's coming out. Right here. So just shove a piece of 1/2-inch PEX down there. You might have to pull it back and forth a little bit, then get a vacuum and start